Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on your iPhone. To begin, download the dedicated Google Gemini app directly from the App Store. Once installed, simply sign in with your personal Google account to access all of Gemini's powerful features. It's important to note that your iPhone needs to be running iOS 16 or a newer version to ensure full compatibility and the best experience with the app. Interacting with Gemini is incredibly flexible. You can type your prompts, speak them using your voice, or even upload images to ask questions about what you see. For a more dynamic experience, try the Live feature, which allows for fluid, real-time conversations. If you have a question about something in your surroundings, just tap the camera icon, take a photo, and ask away. Gemini offers a wide range of practical applications to boost your productivity and creativity. You can generate various forms of content, from summarizing lengthy texts to creating unique images based on your descriptions. It's also an excellent tool for writing assistance, correcting grammar, and translating languages. Plus, Gemini can help you plan events and trips, seamlessly integrating with other Google services like Maps and Calendar. Gemini truly enhances your iPhone experience by offering convenient access points. You can add Gemini shortcuts to your lock screen or control center for quick interactions. It also connects with your favorite Google apps, like YouTube and Gmail, providing integrated assistance across your digital life. For more great deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check out the description below. Gemini is designed to be your proactive and powerful AI assistant, making daily tasks simpler and more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.